Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another DIY tip for termite treatment. Subterranean termites are pretty prevalent down here in Florida, sandy soil. And what we do down here is use Termite SC. Pretty easy. Dig a trench right here around the house. Pull all the dirt back. You can get deeper you go, the better it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix up some Termite SC termite solution. Now guys, this bottle right here, it's 78 ounces, and this one costs about 220 bucks online right now. You can get it. You can get 20-ounce bottles for like around 60 or 70 bucks. But this stuff is really easy to use. We have a 0.8 ounce automatic filler right here, and so you put 0.8 ounces per gallon of water. And so if you have a 5-gallon bucket, put about 4 gallons in it, fill this thing up 4 times, you have 3.2 ounces for every 10 linear feet. So 4 gallons is 10 linear feet. 2-gallon bucket, 5 linear feet. I've been filling my buckets all the way up to the top, 5 gallons. And so what I did is I made a dam every 12.5 feet. So that way the product stays in there, soaks down, and then here in a little bit I will backfill everything. And so make sure you build a dam just to keep that product within the specifications. Otherwise you're going to be pouring or wasting a lot of solution and it not concentrating where it needs to be. So guys, just another quick tip, and this is coming from experience. About 8 years ago we found some subterranean termites at the house. They did a little bit of damage we were able to repair, but the treatment alone cost about $1,000. So why not just do it yourself? 5-gallon bucket, some water, and you won't have to pay thousands of dollars for termite treatment. Well, there it is. Please like and subscribe if you found this information helpful, and leave a comment below if there's anything you think I can do better or anything I can help with. See you guys. Got my shovel, undo my dam. And we're going to treat that little spot as well. Now guys, it does not hurt if you splash some of this stuff up on the walls, because Termite SC, if you put 0.8 ounces into a 1-gallon sprayer, up and down, provides awesome ant and spider protection. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks guys.